failures in life, only opportunities to grow.
That's a good attitude. $5 is a success.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From the moment I knew
So guys,
that it would be you.
we came for a bike/scooter ride here in the beautiful Forest Park for some exercise and fresh air. And we have about 1 hour before dinner, so we're gonna try to see if we could make $20 door dashing within this 1 hour. You think we could do it?
Let's see.
Alright, let's find out.
We're gonna use this electric scooter to dash around and check out our custom logo.
That is sick.
And Ben's gonna follow me on his bike. I just want to show you this interesting order that I got. $4.63. Why is it 63 cents and why is it not round? Decline. We just declined a lot of orders. There's not that many coming in, but the ones that are coming in are all like $5, $6 for like miles on a scooter. I don't want to do that. So we're still at $0, and we also rode to the hotspot of this area here. Haven't gotten anything yet, but stay tuned. Finally got a decent order. I have 10 seconds to accept this, but this is Subway's. It's 0.7 miles, it's $5. Let's go.
I'm just following her on my bike. Good luck.
Thank you. Time to make $5.
What happened?
10-minute wait.
Oh
It
no.
says pick up by 6:02 p.m. and it's 6:05, but it's not ready.
So we just have to wait.
Yeah, I've seen some Facebook groups. They're like, avoid these stores, avoid Subways, avoid all the fast food chains, basically, because they're like very long lines. Now we know. Take 3. Okay, you can hear me now?
I said, what's the difference between door dashing in Queens here versus Manhattan?
Totally different vibe. There's not that many orders. You have to go farther to get a good order. I thought that the orders that I accepted were good. Some people did say that they're a little low, but in Queens it's actually even lower. A lot of $5 orders, a lot of $6 orders. So I can't even take the advice that people gave me in the previous video not to do, or else I'd be making $0 right now. Alright Ben, how's your experience so far?
I feel like I don't want to do it anymore.
We haven't even completed the first order. Dashing in Manhattan is definitely much more fun than Richmond Hill, Jamaica, Woodhaven, Queens.
I think if the neighborhood has a lot of people that takes taxis and Ubers, then you'll do well. But in this neighborhood, I think people prefer to pick up their own food.
Yes, that's true.
Or they cook their own food.
I don't think we're gonna make our goal of $20.
I don't think so either at this rate.
Yeah, how long has it been now?
I think a good 35 minutes.
Okay, we have 5 more minutes until it's been 10 minutes, so hopefully it'll be a quick pickup after that. Another train coming. See you later. Let's check if the order is ready now.
Success.
$5.
Ka-ching! My guy was hungry. I guess if you order DoorDash in Queens, other than Long Island City and Astoria, the delay time should be expected.
So it says delivery complete. $3 DoorDash base pay, $2 tip for $5.
Oh.
Yep.
Well, $5 is $5.
$5 is $5. We are a quarter of the way to our goal, but we are running out of time.
Do you think you can squeeze in one more?
I don't know. Let's wait.
What'd you say?
Let's go home.
It's too hard out here.
Traffic is scary on a scooter in there. The train's so loud. So many cars there. And traffic is scary. Dude. Personally, I prefer dashing in Manhattan. This is hard. It's hard here. Oh, I got something. Oh, it's too far. It's way too far.
So you're not gonna accept it?
No, look, it's all the way down there. It's like East New York.
So they want you to pick it up at East New York and go to Regal Park.
Oh, no. Regal Park has so much traffic and so many cars.
Yeah, it's not any easier.
Regal
So that's
Park,
a no.
No, I think Queens is just a lot of cars and you have to ride with the cars. We'll try a different part of Queens next time. Shall we go home?
Yeah. Make $5.
Yay! I knew it! I knew we would have been able to make 20 bucks.
You shouldn't have to climb that $6 one.
$6? Well, we'll see if we get anything on our way home.
Ming says she wished there's bike lanes. Are you blaming the failure on the lack of bike lanes?
Failure? There are no failures in life, only opportunities to grow.
That's a good attitude. $5 is a success.
It'll be better next time.
Damn right. Look at her go.
I'm exercising.
No, you're not.
Yep. All the little muscles are stabilizing and balancing. Look both ways before you cross.
Okay. I wonder how much he made. That guy looks like a pro.
Guess how much I made? $5. More than $0, which I thought we were gonna make $0.
You could live off meal of McDonald's with $5.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not Subway though. I can't get a 6-inch Subway with $5 though.
You could get a cookie.
True. And chips for a drink. Okay. Well, we're ending this video here. Thanks for coming along. This 1 hour we made $5. Yes. Next time, let's aim for $10. Yeah? Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video and wish me luck for the next Doordash video. Bye!